Hi, I'm Steve Root. This is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms. By popular demand, in this video I'm going to spill a whole pan of bolognese sauce down an extractor that's built into a hob. Why? Well, almost 2 years ago I created a video where I wanted to test and see if these type of extractors work for catching the humidity that comes off of pans. That video has become amazingly popular, over 127,000 views, over 1,500 likes, and as a small business I'm honoured and I'm humbled that so many people have found it so useful. Roots is a specialist in the design, supply and installation of kitchens, bedrooms and bathrooms in East Kent. Most people that are watching these videos are too far away to come into our showroom, but if you do live local and you'd like your room done well, then please come visit our showroom. If you're finding these videos useful, please click like, because it does help me put my small business in front of local people as well. Now, in that original video, a lot of the comments were about what happens when you spill things down the gap in the extractor. So in this video, we're going to experiment, and it was summed up really by Johannes, who said, imagine spilling a pot of bolognese down into that thing. Well, I've been to the shops and I've bought some bolognese suitable for pouring through keyhole slot spaces. And this is the nervous bit for me. I need to pour this in and get my YouTube thumbnail at the same time. That was a bit messy. There we go. I think I've successfully spilt things down into this extractor. Sometimes I question why I do these videos. So what are we going to do next? Well, this hob is the Miele, what is it? I'm completely distracted by what I've just done. This is the Miele KMDA 7634FL. This is very similar to the Neff and to the Bora hobs that we've also sold in the way that they are cleaned. So the first thing we'd do is remove the top filter, and I've brought a bucket in because my dishwasher is in another room. Now, the second thing that's in here is the catch tray. So if I bring my camera over, and hopefully this is still running. Yep, there we go. So you can see some liquid dripping out the bottom. All of the filters have caught quite a lot of stuff. A lot of spills can be captured in just these filters alone, and then I should have bought a bigger bucket. Then we can put all of that in a dishwasher, and with the magic of editing you'll probably see that happening right away. But what about if you spill too much into there? What if there's a lot of liquid? Well, down here, oh, there's nothing in there. There we go. Down here there's another drip tray, another catch tray. So if I go underneath the hob, we'll remove that and we'll see how that's cleaned. So to remove the catch tray, we hold it underneath and release 4 clips that are around the outside edges, and then lower it down, keeping it level so that we don't spill the contents on the bottom of our cupboard. Easy. So in summary, is it a problem if you spill a whole pan full of bolognese sauce down an extractor that's built into a hob? No, it's not a problem. It does leave a bit of cleaning up to be done though. If you found the video useful, please click like. It does help my small business. If you've got any questions, leave comments below. I do try and answer them all. And if you live local to our showroom between Faversham and Canterbury and you'd like a kitchen, bedroom or bathroom done very well, then please come visit us at Roots Kitchens. My name's Steve. This is Roots Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms.